Two designers, two styles, one house. Their challenge, designing this 3-room BTO for a family of 4. This is Design It For Me, where we get designers to solve design briefs for real homes in Singapore.
Hi everyone, my name is Hans. I'm from erstudio, currently the operation director.
Hi, my name is Joey and I'm an interior designer from SG Interior Design.
We have been exploring this style. We call it timeless. We strive to allow the house to be able to age with the owners.
My usual design style would lean towards wabi-sabi with lots of curves. So the usual colors I go for is neutral colors and they are more muted, so this can create a cozy vibe.
At the first glance, we will start to study where are the pockets of space that we can maneuver and then we can navigate around. So in this case, we decided to remove this wall entirely, partial of this wall, and a relocation of the 2 bedroom doors.
According to the brief, there's a lot of storage that's needed, and also in each room there will be housing a lot of people. My plan is to actually maximize all the spaces in the house. So with that in mind, I decided not to hack any walls that is in the bedroom and also the living room.
So we envision ourselves coming home, and then we'll be greeted by a organic angled sofa with a combination. These two are together lah. The dining area and the sofa settee will be together. We also created a diagonally access glass door to the kitchen. Kitchen-wise, we keep it quite straightforward lah. Just the cooker and the sink side by side. Then we have a built-in fridge and an oven to maximize the space. So we have opened up the corridor area to house storages as well as a study desk. For the children's room, so basically we've designed a bunker bed concept. Here we have the maximum window openings. We have a toy storage below, and then we have a wardrobe parked at the shorter side of the room. For the both bathroom, not much changes to the layout, but then we introduced a corner shower screen, just to separate the dry and wet area, mainly for safety concerns lah. For the masters, so we have designed a platform bed concept. Wardrobe will be here. So at one glance, we can achieve more of a color unity lah, like a harmony among the colors, and then it makes the space usually a lot bigger.
So entering the house, right away you'll see the foyer, whereby there will be a full height cabinet here on the right side and a half height cabinet right in front here. Entering the living area, on the right side you will see the dining area, whereby there's an L-shaped settee and also a dining table that is placed in a way whereby when not in use you can push it all the way to the corner, so you can have more space for walking. Going into the kitchen, right away you'll see is the stove and the sink on this side, and on the opposite side you'll see the fridge and also a long stretch of a full height cabinet. So this is where you can house the built-in oven and also some storage for like cleaning supplies near the yard. So if you realize the kitchen is actually hacked down, the service yard is hacked away. This is to maximize the space and also extend the kitchen. In the common bedroom, right away when you enter, when you open the door, there's a step-up platform. So this platform is created so that we can maximize the space and place 2 single bed here. You will realize the wardrobe is sitting on a platform. It's actually suspended so that when we open the wardrobe, you don't really need to scared to be knocked into the bed frame. Entering the master bedroom, on the right side, you realize there's a divider made of glass blocks. So these glass blocks actually help to illuminate this walkway area as well from the sunlight that's entering the room. In front of the door, you'll see a table. This table is intended for maybe makeup or also study table. So lastly, when we go to the bathroom, the master bathroom, when you enter, you'll see the sink right in front of the door. So this sink is divided and separated from the shower area by a wall. So this wall is intended to store toiletries for both sides, for the sink area and also for the shower area. So for the overall look of the house is wabi-sabi. It's slightly more contemporary with the metallic as well. So there's a slight mixture of 2 themes. So for this brief, the challenge I have is the space constraint, because the space is not very big. So we're quite limited on the type of things we can do with the layout.
We are pretty comfortable with the layout. This is something that we have been working with. I think an accurate budget is about 120,000. Maybe we can try a bigger unit next time. Thank you all for watching. If you want to get in touch,
You can click on the link below to contact me.